Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about different rules of derivatives. The first rule says constant multiple rule. That means, let's say for example, c times f of f at the derivative of x is always given by c times what f derivative at x. That means, let's say for example, f of x is given by like 4 times x to x square. Here the constant c is our constant, which is 4, and f of x is looks like what, x square. Now f derivative at x is given by 4x square the whole derivative. That means what, we take our constant out of the derivative. That means 4 times what, x, the x square the whole derivative. That means what, 4 times, now x square is given by x square is a power function. That means let's say 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1. Yes, now 4 times 2, which is 8, x to the power of 2 minus 1 means what, x. So f derivative at x is given is expressed as 8. Yes, 8x. Let's say again another example. Let's say g of x is given by g of x, which is equal to 3x to the power of what, pi. Now here our exponent is pi and also our constant is c. Then g derivative at x is given by, according to constant multiple rule, we write like 3x to the power of pi the whole derivative. Now we take the constant out of the derivative. That means 3 into x to the power of pi the whole derivative. This is again expressed as now we apply x to the power of pi with power rule. That means 3 times what, pi is our constant, times x to the power of pi minus 1. This is expressed as 3 pi times x to the power of what, pi minus 1 is the derivative of what, the derivative of 3 to the power of x. Now this means g derivative at x is expressed as what, 3 pi times x to the power of what, pi minus 1. Okay. And also the other rule is sum rule, which is always expressed as let's say f of f plus g. Yes, derivative at x is always expressed as f derivative at x. That means we derivate individually f derivative at x plus g derivative what, g derivative at x. What does it mean? That means, let's say for example f of x plus g of x is given by x to the power of 4 plus what, 3 x to the power of what, pi. That means our g of x is x to the power of 4, and also our g of x is what, 3 the power of 3 times x to the power of pi. Now then f plus g derivative at x is expressed by what, x to the power of 4 plus, yes, 3 x to the power of what, pi the whole what, derivative at x. This is expressed by what, x to the power of 4 derivative plus what, 3 x to the power of pi the whole derivative. Our target is to apply what, the sum rule of derivatives. So now we get x 4 times yes, 4 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 plus, yes, 3 pi times what, x to the power of pi minus 1. Now our last answer is given by yes, which is equal to 4x to the power of, yes, 3. That means 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 pi, yes, x to the power of what, pi minus 1. And also we have another rule which is product rule. The product rule says, this is the product rule, sorry, this is not, that means f times g derivative at x is always expressed as what, yes, we can write from this f times g derivative at x is always given by, first we need to derivate f of x and divide multiplied by g of x. That means f derivative at x times g of x as it is plus what, we take f of x as it is, f of x times then multiplied by what, g derivative at x. The product rule is always given by like this. For example, let's say f of x which is equal to what, 3x to the power of 5, and also g of x which is equal to x to the power of 1 over 3. Now the f times g of f times g derivative at x, yes, at x is expressed as what, 3x to the power of 5, here is what, g of x times x to the power of 1 over 3, the whole derivative at what, x. This is expressed by what, first we need to derivate g of x, that means 3x to the power of 5, yes, or we need to derivate then f derivative at x is expressed in short what, 15x to the power of what, 4, yes, g derivative at x is what, 1 over 3, yes, 1 over 3 x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2 over what, 3. So we can easily express this like what, this is expressed by what, yes, sorry, here 15 what, 15 x to the power of 4 times what, x to the power of 1 over 3, yes, plus x to the power of 15, sorry, 3 x to the power of 5 times, which is g times g derivative at x is expressed as what, 1 over 3 x to the power of minus 1 over 2 over 3. Now our target is to add up the exponents, that means 15 times x to the power of what, 4 plus 1 over 3, yes, plus here is what, 3, yes, 3 times 1 over 3 which is 1, yes, 1 x to the power of 5 minus 1 over 3. Now we get 15 x to the power of what, 7 plus 1, 8 over 3 plus what, x to the power of 5 15 minus 1 14